Welcome to another premium installation project by Lush Loom, this time at a beautiful modern villa in Yas Acres, Abu Dhabi. For this project, our team installed a combination of custom Venetian blends, elegant layered curtains, and vintage-style carpet runners, bringing together privacy, comfort, light control, and timeless style. The entire installation was completed in just 2 days. First, let's take a look at the carpet runners. For the villa's hallway, we installed elegant vintage-style carpet runners over the existing gray porcelain tiles. The soft beige, ivory, and muted gray tones create a beautiful contrast with the modern flooring, instantly making the hallway feel warmer and more welcoming. The low-pile woven material is designed for durability and everyday foot traffic, while the anti-slip gripper underlay keeps the runner securely in place and perfectly aligned. The result is a practical flooring solution with a sophisticated, classic appearance. Next, our team moved to the kitchen. Here, we installed premium 50mm matte black Venetian blinds above the kitchen sink.
Using a clean inside mount installation, the blinds sit neatly within the window recess, creating a sleek and built-in appearance. The moisture-resistant finish makes them suitable for the kitchen environment, while the adjustable slats provide precise control over natural light, glare, and privacy. The matte black finish also complements the villa's dark wood cabinetry and modern minimalist design. Now, let's move into the living spaces. For the main rooms, Lush Loom installed a beautiful combination of maroon blackout curtains and off-white sheer curtains on a double ceiling-mounted system. This layered setup gives the homeowner complete flexibility. The sheer curtains allow soft, natural daylight to enter while maintaining privacy during the day. And when complete darkness, stronger privacy, or additional insulation is needed, the rich maroon blackout curtains can be closed.
The heavy triple weave blackout fabric helps block unwanted light and improve indoor comfort, while the soft off-white sheers add an elegant and airy feel. The full floor-length curtains complete the look with a luxurious polished finish. And here is the final transformation. The combination of vintage carpet runners, matte black Venetian blinds, and layered curtains creates a cohesive look throughout the villa. Every element was carefully measured, customized, and installed to match the space and the owner's requirements. The final result delivers better privacy, smarter light control, improved comfort, and a refined designer finish. Another successful Lush Loom install at Yas Acres, Abu Dhabi. Planning a similar project for your villa? Contact Lush Loom and let our experts transform your space.